Hello all of you. Today I am coming with again one of very important video about job seeker visa. How the job seeker visa works, what kind of the requirement, each and everything about job seeker visa from starting to end. Even how to fill form in which option, what you need to write, each and everything we are going to cover. So it is sure after seeing this video, you no need to contact any consultancy. You can save your 50,000, 80,000, 1 lakh rupees, any of. So in this video, we cover from starting to end process. Even what kind of document you need, in which form, what you need to write, complete detailed information you will get in this video. So guys, if you are looking for jobs in Germany and you are planning for job seeker visa, so it's video completely must for you. Please see this video. I am coming right now on my dashboard.
So guys, firstly need to understand what kind of the step we need. So first step is we need to see the checklist. After it, we come step two, biometric photos. What kind of the detail here? Why the biometric photo is different from the normal photo? It's a different. The ratio will be everything we will tell. After it, we come in the application form. How to fill the application form step by step, in which option, what you need to mention here. Everything going to cover. Step 4, we are going to schedule an appointment. How to schedule appointment, the visa fees, everything. So right now we are coming in the checklist option. What kind of checklist there are? So either your qualification, everything, the matching or not. So guys, this is the checklist. We need to maintain this checklist, need to fill all things. So step by step, we are going to cover. First thing is we need a valid passport. Valid passport means the issue within the last 10 years, and at least 12-month validity should be left after the scheduled return. This is the criteria for the passport. Second thing is one copy of your passport data page. It is the only printout. The complete page should be come there. Next is 3 passport pictures in a biometric specifications. You can find here. Okay, the link we will share in the description. Cover letter, guys, very important. Okay, and here also they explain. Okay, explaining the exact course of action to find employment in Germany, as well as the future career plans to stay in Germany. Be unsuccessful. If you couldn't succeed then what is your future plan, and why your particular field and experience the matching the right now whatever the labor demand in Germany. So like that, the cover letter basically you need to make. If you face any issue for cover letter how to make, you can contact us also, we will help you. In description the chat option also there, you can connect there and come with our chat team. Now the next thing is the proof of academic qualification. What is the proof of academic qualification, and what your work experience it is, you need to mention it. And the most important part, the many people miss this is, in Germany not every university valid there, mostly but not every. So where you can see this is the link of website, and this link also you can find in the description option. So now we are coming on that particular website, how you can see either your degree, diploma, whatever you done, it is valid or not. So we are sharing the screen for that. So when you click this link, you can find this dashboard. In this dashboard, there are, you can see, you need to come here in the second option, institutions. Then you need to click here, whatever your place it is. After clicking place, for example, anyone live in Jaipur, okay, so they click there. After, you can see here the complete list can be. And one more most important part you need to see, and you need to take care always, the status. The status should be H plus. H plus means the higher possibility every kind of the degree, diploma provided by the particular university is valid in Germany. But if you see there H minus, then there are possibility some degrees, some courses not valid in Germany. So if H plus, it should be okay. So like that it is, you can find your degree, diploma, whatever you done, it is valid or not. A link you can find in the description option. Now we are coming again in the checklist option. So this is the checklist again. We have After seeing your documentation valid in Germany, you need to come in a personal CV content, full education and employment history. Whatever your education it is, whatever your employment history, where you done the experience, that you need to mention here as per European standard. You need to do. You can do the Google also. Otherwise, you can also contact us. We will tell you the sample some CV letter how can we do. After it, proof of accommodation. You need to show proof of accommodation for the first month. For example, if you do the hotel booking, you need to show the proof. Okay. And any formal letter, for example, invitation of friend, family, and there the passport copy you need to mention. You need to mention there first month where you live. After it, the proof of financial means some fund you need to show in your account. For example, the bank account should be either you have some sponsor. For example, by sponsor living in Germany, if the sponsor do the sponsor, okay, they live here and we manage the whole kind of expense. So you need to send the documentation of the particular person. Otherwise, you need to maintain 947 euro monthly for the period of 6. So it means 947 into 6. This amount you need to maintain in your account while you are applying. After it, the proof of personal status. So whatever your personal marriage certificate, birth certificate, your wife, children's, your Aadhaar card, the personal detail you need to mention. And proof of health insurance. You need to mention the health insurance. There are proof you need to show. And the demand draft. Every embassy actually charge for your document verification. It depends embassy to embassy what they are charging. We show right now this one also. So you can see here 8 to 12 week basically embassy take to verify your document. So what the in which embassy charge what kind of amount we are going to say right now on screen. So guys, you can see on screen this one. This link also you can find in the description. No issue about it. So for example, you can see the New Delhi. New Delhi takes 8 to 12 week. Every embassy take this time period. So there are you are living in the metropolitan Punjab, Haryana, or the Delhi metro. Then you need to pay 28,000 rupees for document verification. Otherwise, you need to pay for 40K, 40,000 rupees for the your nearby place. It is, and for the Jammu and Kashmir, Northeast India, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and the Meghalaya, this kind of some the Lakshadweep also, you need to pay 50,000 rupees. Here also given in individual, especially complex cases, higher fee might be charged. Sometimes higher fees can be charged. Like that in a Bengaluru not charging the complete amount, they charge 4,500 per document. Paper in case you it means the 5 document, 4 document, 3 document as per document. Like that Chennai, like that the Kolkata, like that the further things. Okay, the Mumbai they should be charged. Okay, for Mumbai charge 45,000 and payable by demand draft. You can make the demand draft also. So like that the visa documentation, the verification fees you need to pay. Now we are coming the further step. What kind of further step it is right now you need to do. So you can see the step second, it is biometric photos. You need to open the biometric photo particular link. You need to click here. Then you can find the biometric requirement also. Third is the application form. So now we are discussing about application form, how the application form fill. Each and every form, each and every option, what you need to fill, we are going to discuss here. And the additional form also for this the work we are going to discuss. So again, we are coming on the next screen. So guys, this is the application form, how you need to fill the complete detail here coming. For example, you need to fill your name, surname, this the normal detail you need to find here, your date of birth, your place of birth, and the country you birth, everything here. Okay, current nationality, okay, former nationality if there are. So you need to fill these detail here. You can do the computerized also, there are option. You need to do directly. After it, you need to fill here your marital status. You are single, you are married, divorce, window, anything you need to fill. And whatever your sex it is, your male and female, like that you need to do this one. After it, you can find here the travel documents. What kind of travel document you have? Travel document means you are going to attach, okay, passport, official passport, if you have diplomatic passport, special passport if you have, like that, or other travel document, please specify it. So now that how many document you apply, you need to click here how many. After a date of issue, the particular document, valid till, and the issued by what? Okay, any organization issued by, like that it is, and you need to mention also the residence permit number also, whatever number it is the given, and the valid till, like that it is, you need to mention there. After it, you need to come here. What is your current address? Current address you need to fill here. What is your street number, everything, your place, your postal means your postal address, your email address, telephone number, your mobile number, like that you need to mention here. After it, you need to mention in the next step, you need to mention about your applicant's post, registered partner, whatever your partner detail, name, like that you fill your. Okay, so first name, like that it is, and the place of birth, place of country, like the same thing you fill for you, the complete thing here you need to fill. After it, about your all the family, your children's, okay, about our children's, okay, it means information applicants children, about the children you need to fill, and even the mention also if anyone more than 18 here, okay, so you need to the first name, okay, the surname, first name, male, female, every detail is given, okay, one note where the place, nationality, date and place of birth you need to mention here for all your the children's. After it, you need to mention about your parents, your father detail, your mother detail, first name, again, date of place of birth, nationality, where they live. This one you need to mention right now here in this option. After it, you need to come here. Have you ever been in Germany before? It means, have you already went to Germany? Okay, anytime in the previous times. So from to from, in which place you need to fill this one. If you didn't go, then uh, after it in Deutschland, intent of place of stay. So where you, in Germany your intent to live, so you need to mention the address, and also the postal address, like that it is, you are living in the single room apartment, like that, whatever you are doing, this information you need to fill here. After it, you need to see here detail. Do you intend to maintain your permanent residence outside the Federal Republic of Germany? If you want to uh, uh, do the permanent residence outside the Federal Republic of India, you need to read. Yeah means yes, yes. No means no. You need to write here. Okay. If yes, then you need to mention also where. After it, do your family member intend to go with you? Okay, the right now or after it, then yes to yes, no to no, you need to mention here. After it, purpose of stay in the Federal Republic of, what is your purpose? For example, job purpose, it is for job seeker or the German course, and the outward, the study region, employment, the family, whatever it is, you can fill here. After it, you can click here. Okay, and here also, okay, reference the Federal Republic of Germany here. Employer, educational, established relatives, like that it is, you can fill here, otherwise no issue about it. After we are coming here, your trade is profession which the trained, and the if different, your whatever profession it is, you need to write. And the intent of duration of Germany, what is your intent, from where till when you want to, you need to mention here. After it, what are the means of subsistence? Here are, do you have the health insurance? Yes to yes, no to no, you need to write here. After it, have you ever been convicted? If convicted, then you need to mention here when and where. After it, for what reason? What as the reason? Nature of extent penalty, what kind of the penalty it was, you need to write here. Okay, and it happen in any other country, you need to write the same detail here, not in home country, any other country. So like that, you need to fill here, and here also given the details. Have you ever been explained the deported? If you deported anywhere republic from Germany, you need to application residence permit rejected, anytime rejected or been refused entry in the Germany, you need to mention here. And the second thing, please also state if you suspected suffering from any other disease. If you are suffering from any other disease, you need to mention here. After it, you need to sign here. You need to write here date, place, and you need to sign that place here. So this is the way how the job seeker visa form you can fill. Now some additional form also you need to fill. So we are coming on that, what kind of additional form you need to fill. First thing is the declaration form. So you need to write here the place and your signature, and what it is, whatever information you given, it is right or wrong. Okay, it means you are saying that all the information is there are no false. For example, here given a foreigner can exploit or he see false or incomplete information in order to gain the German residence permit or single visa. So you are saying, yeah, I'm whatever information I sent, absolutely true, absolutely genuine information I presented here. This form also, this form is only for that whatever your visa embassy send about your visa status, either for email, either for direct the post. So you need to mention here, if the post, then you need to write here that this is my postal address and this is my email address. You need to fill it, and you need to do the date, write the date and do the signature. So like that, the form, the detailed information, how the form fill and everything be covered here. Now we are coming to what further process you need to do now. So here you can see the first step checklist we covered here, what you need to do. The second, the biometric photos. Third, the application form, we already covered everything. After it, you need to schedule the appointment. Schedule, there are given the contact details and embassy. You can schedule the, or you can do the online. You can make your account and you can see the slots also. And this is the visa fees for adult. There are 75 euro, and for minors it is 37 and half, 37.50 euro it is. Okay, this is, and some condition is waived also. Okay, there are condition, they are waived also. So like that, it is the form you need to fill complete information. You don't need to go anywhere else, any consultancy, do my the job seeker visa, my qualification is valid or not, everything, the website information you can see here. If you want to get some more information, if you have facing some issue, you can contact our chat team. We don't charge any amount for that. Let I clear this thing. Okay, we don't do like that for job seeker visa. Whatever is the problem you are facing, we will help you, our team will help you. Once they get free, they will reply you. So this is the complete information about the job seeker visa. I hope you like this video. If you think this video is informative, so please like and subscribe for further like that videos. If you like and subscribe, definitely it motivates us and we make like that more videos. So guys, enough for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye till then.